Sound Devices Scorpio is designed the way that changing the batteries, timecode and system batteries, a major pain in the ass. You will have to take it completely apart to reach the area with the batteries. Here you can see the system coin battery, and the TC battery, rechargeable battery, is buried under the massive top PCB. And this is the extraction process. The battery itself sits in the small foam pouch, which you will have to insert back in between the boards and plug in the connector. After that, reassemble the unit. Good luck with that.